Have you ever seen a small airplane flying in the sky without a pilot inside and wondered how does that even work? Well, that's an RC airplane, also known as a radio-controlled airplane. Today, we're going to explore everything about RC airplanes. What they are, how they fly, their main parts, different types, and how beginners can start flying one. Whether you're a student, hobbyist, or future aerospace engineer, this video is for you. So let's take off. What is an RC airplane? An RC airplane is a small aircraft controlled remotely by a pilot on the ground using a radio transmitter. Unlike toy planes, RC airplanes use real aerodynamic principles, electric or fuel-powered motors. Control surfaces just like real airplanes. The pilot sends signals from the transmitter, and the airplane responds in real time using onboard electronics. In simple words, it's a real airplane, just smaller and remotely controlled. Let's break down the main components one by one. The airframe, body of the plane. The airframe is the structure of the RC airplane. It includes fuselage, the main body, wings, provide lift, tail section, provide stability. Common materials used to build RC airplane: foam, lightweight, beginner-friendly, balsa wood, plastic or composite materials. The wings. The wings are designed with an airfoil shape. When the airplane moves forward, air moves faster over the top of the wing and slower under the wing. This creates low pressure above and high pressure below. This pressure difference creates lift, allowing the plane to fly. Same principle as real airplanes. Motor and propeller. Most modern RC airplanes use electric motors. The motor spins the propeller, creates thrust, pulls or pushes the airplane forward. Types of motor setups: front-mounted, pull type; rear-mounted, push type. The faster the airflow over the wings, the more lift is produced. Electronic speed controller, ESC. The ESC controls the motor speed, receives signals from the receiver, regulates power from the battery, allows smooth acceleration and deceleration. Without an ESC, you can't control motor speed. Battery. RC airplanes usually use LiPo batteries, lithium polymer. Key specifications of battery is voltage, capacity, and discharge rate. The battery powers motor, receiver, and servos. Radio receiver receives signals from the transmitter and sends commands to servos and ESC. Each channel controls a function like throttle, elevator, rudder, and ailerons. Servos. Servos are small motors that move control surfaces. They control elevator, moves the plane up or down. Rudder turns left or right. Ailerons roll the plane. Servos convert electrical signals into mechanical motion. Control surfaces. Let's understand how RC airplanes are controlled in the air. Elevator, located on the tail, controls pitch, moves airplane up or down. Rudder, vertical tail surface, controls yaw, turns airplane left or right. Ailerons, located on the wings, control roll, allow banking and turning. Together, these surfaces allow full 3D control in the air. There are many types of RC airplanes. Let's look at the most common ones. Trainer planes, high wing design. Very stable, perfect for beginners. Gliders, long wings, very efficient. Can fly without motor using air currents. Sport planes, faster and more agile, for intermediate pilots. Warbirds, scale models of military aircraft, look realistic, require more skill. Jets, use EDF, electric duct fan, very fast. Advanced level RC airplanes fly using 4 fundamental forces. Lift pushes the plane upward. Thrust pushes the plane forward. Drag, air resistance. Weight, gravity pulling downward. For flight, lift must be greater than weight and thrust must overcome drag. When these forces are balanced, the airplane flies smoothly. If you're starting out, remember these tips. Choose a trainer RC airplane. Practice on a flight simulator. Fly in open areas. Avoid strong wind. Start with short flights. Always check battery and controls. Crashes happen. Don't worry. Every RC pilot learns from mistakes. RC airplanes are not just toys. They are flying machines that teach aerodynamics, electronics, control systems, and engineering thinking. If you enjoyed this video and want more content about RC planes, drones, motors, or electronics, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Comment your questions below. Thanks for watching, and happy flying!